Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Airplane Mode. My name is Isaac. I am 9 years old. Today, I will be doing a quick introduction of my airplane collection. Put on your seatbelts and let's fly. Hey guys, welcome back, and today I will be talking about each of these 3 airplanes, one reason why I like it. So let's start out with Delta. So as you can see here, the flag is right there, standing for the United States. And you can see right there near the door, it says Sky Club. Air France. Look at the size of these wings. They're really cool. Look at the airplane logo on each engine. The shape of the wings help this massive airplane fly. You can see the 2 rows of windows for each deck. Southwest. It says Heart 1, and I think it stands for this heart at the bottom. That heart is kind of awesome, but Southwest is a really colorful airline. Look, on the wing it shows details of flaps. Flaps are when you land or take off, they open up to take air. You can read southwest.com on the sticker. The colors of this airplane are cool and different. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel, Airplane Mode. Next week, we will be unboxing new airplanes for my airplane collection. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next week.